Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Arzu's Alpha Academy, wherein I, Arzu Bhanushali, will teach you today how to make notes. Okay? So as you all know, under my mentorship program, the main focus is to self-study. And the source of self-study is Institute and Pure Institute's modules. All the reference material provided by Institute should be our Bible. Yes, you heard it very correct. Institute's modules, past question papers, amendments, suggested papers, mock test papers. Enough. Trust me, it is more than enough for you to get exemption and rank as well. So today I am going to show you how I used to make notes and how I recommend my students under my mentorship program to make notes. See, each and every module of our institute has initial pages. Okay, you'll get the soft copy of these initial pages online on BOS app, as well as you will get it on icai.org. On the website, under students section, under the examination section, you have various PDFs available of all the subjects. Okay, and there you get this initial pages. So here's one copy which I had made available for you. This is of intermediate law. So this is how it looks, right? Hardly 10 to 20 pages per module is the initial pages quantity, and trust me, entire initial pages will barely cost you 100 rupees. But I'll tell you what is its importance. Okay, so this is the initial pages wherein you have the instructions in the initial pages, and then this is our main content. Okay, here we get table of contents, like what is the main content of each and every subject, each and every chapter. You get an index or a detailed bifurcation of the main topics covered in that chapter. Okay, so what you have to do is, while you do your first reading or first revision, as you may term it, you have to sit with a four color pen. If not available, blue or black color pen is available with all of us, or you can use pencil and markers as well. Okay, you have to note down the key bullet points given in the institute's module. So at the end, after finishing each chapter, your notes should look something like this. Okay, I'll enclose the images as well for more reference. So by this, one first and foremost importance, like subjects like tax are little bit drowsy, it makes you feel asleep. We all go through this. So what this helps, while you keep writing, the chances of feeling asleep decreases. Okay, you are continue into motion. So while making notes, you have one advantage: you are writing something. Writing, according to psychology, constitutes 30% or more of the retaining power. So whatever you are seeing, whatever you are reading, and you are writing the bullet points, the key points simultaneously, this will increase your retaining capacity. Okay, and the very main purpose of these notes is the entire initial pages, these 5 to 10 pages, at the end of the first revision, you will have entire subject ka summary in few pages, that too self-made. Okay, you don't have to rely on any other faculty. See, everyone is good. I don't criticize or I don't comment upon everyone, but instead of eating what somebody has already chewed from the institute and then putting it into your mouth, I would recommend that you yourself go through that. The language, trust me, of the modules is too damn easy to understand. Nowadays, those are available in colors also. So it is not that difficult. Try it once and tell me how does it works. Also, 1.5 day before exam, you will have your self-made notes prepared by you. This will help you to cover the entire syllabus in 30 minutes max. Trust me on this. Try it and write me on the comment section how it is. All the best. Keep learning.